Hello everybody, my name is Elizabeth with Country Peony and welcome to the 2025 Christmas tour of the Country Peony Studio. So this year's theme, I was trying to lean into the whimsical, so I went with a Whimsical Cottage Christmas. And so what does that mean? Basically, it just means I had a whole lot of fun with it. So with the whimsy, I added a lot of sparkle with the disco balls and colors with the ribbons and the baubles. And then adding in that cottage feel, a lot of handcrafted elements with some ribbon garlands, as well as some beautiful handmade touches with some fun gingham stars and sparkly stars. So without further ado, I would love to show you my studio tour for this year's Christmas. Thank you so much for following along today. I hope you feel inspired to honestly just decorate in a way that makes you so happy. So if you want to follow along, I would love for you to subscribe here to my YouTube channel, to also visit my blog, countrypeony.com. I share a lot of fun DIYs, tutorials, creative workshops, and I've even got a line of quilt jackets. So I'd love to see you there. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful holiday season and Christmas.